now come to next another one, the rain tree. The botanical name of this tree is Albizia salmon. Folds its leaves in rainy weather and in the evening, hence it is also known as 5 o'clock tree. So test yourself. This is one exercise I have given. Circle the odd one out. Those one is odd one in this question, so you just take it out. Okay. So this is for you children. You have to test yourself. So this is clearly it is mentioned over there, differentiation between living things and non-living things. So living things can move on their own. We have studied before. So this is the differentiation, clearly it is written over there. So you write down in on your notebook. So this is living things can move on their own, non-living things cannot move on their own. Living things grow with time, non-living things do not grow with time. Living things need air to breathe, non-living things do not breathe. Living things need food to grow and non-living things do not need food. Living things feel changes around us, around them, and non-living things do not feel changes around them. Living things reproduce, non-living things do not reproduce. Human beings, plants, animals are the examples of living beings. Book, pencil, bat are examples of non-living things. You can give more examples also. You just observe your surroundings, what are the living things and what are the non-living things, and you can write more examples. So I have completed this chapter now. Now I am going to recapitulate whole chapter. So in this living and non-living things, we study so many things, like living things different from non-living things. How they're different? Living things move on their own. Some important features we have studied in this chapter. So living beings have some important features like reproduction we studied, breathing, need food and water, then growth, then movement. So these are the things we have studied in living, for living beings, and these living beings need move on their own, and living things need air to breathe. Living things need food to grow. Living things feel changes around them, and living things reproduce, but non-living things do not move, breathe, need food, grow, feel, or reproduce. So this is the whole chapter I recapitulated. So now come to next. These are the key words I have given in your book. Also it is given, like living things, what is living things, non-living things, stomata, and reproduction. So you have to write on your notebook this keywords. These are the keywords. It is already given in your book. So go through these keywords, and this is your homework. This is complete exercises given over there, very short answer type questions. Write one word of the following, give two examples of for the following, and answer the following questions. So this is for you as a homework. And draw this picture, how the green plants make their own food. This is a complete diagram. Explanation is not there in your book, so you just draw this diagram on your notebook. So green plants can make their own food with the help of sunlight, air, and water. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Thank you very much.